Okay, we're going to show you how to winterize your 200 PSI pump. You're going to start by turning your water off. We sell these tools at mistcooling.com. You can usually use like a crescent wrench, but you press it down on this ring right here, push it in and pull the tube out. You're going to do the same with the outlet side. Pull the tube out. Then you're going to take this tube, you're going to go to the end of your mist line. Using the same process, take this end plug out, set it aside. Then you can use compressed air, or you can use a compressor, which I have rigged up this fitting here that actually fits the tubing. It's a push lock. You can also use something like this. But what you want to do is blow air into this line till the end of the line where you took the end plug out. You push all the water out of this side till there's no stream of water coming out. Once the water is stopped and it's just air, then your line is clean enough. Then you can go turn these away from you and plug your pump back in, and it'll pump all the water out of the outlet side. When it stops a steady stream of water, if it's just spitting a little bit, that's good. And then unplug it. Take your end plug back to the end of your misting line and plug it back in. That way you don't lose it. Okay, we're going to show you how to dewinterize your 200 PSI pump. You're going to start by hooking your supply line up, your feed line, and turn your water on so you get no air. Plug it in to the inlet side, which is the arrow pointing in. Then you want to turn your pump on. So you get a steady stream of water. Turn it off. And then you want to plug in your tubing for your mist line. You want to go to the end of your mist line. Take out this plug, the end plug. Then you want to turn your pump back on. And run your pump till you're getting solid water coming out. Whenever there's no more air, you turn your pump off. Put your end plug back in. And you're ready to go.